Hey Rebels, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Natia. Today's video is my updated everyday makeup routine, and I'll also be styling and telling you all about this wig I'm wearing from Reshine hair. So go ahead and click that subscribe button before we get into the video, and make sure to thumbs up at the end if you like it. So today I am starting completely barefaced. I didn't even do my brows, and excuse the blemishes and spots on my face. I'm actually in the process of clearing my skin up again. These last couple weeks have been hell on my skin. So yeah, the brow gel that I'm using to set my brows in place is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm also going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo in dark brown to fill my brows in. For an everyday look, I always use dark brown or ebony. So now you see me just filling in my other brow, making them look as symmetrical as possible. To sculpt and clean up my brows, I'm going to be using Colourpop's Pretty Frrsh Concealer. And with the extra concealer left on my wrist, I'm just going to go ahead and put that on my eyelids to conceal and prime my lids and help blend out any of that extra concealer around my brows. Once I'm done with brows, I move on to skin. To moisturize, I always use Eucerin because my skin is extremely dry and eczema prone. So Eucerin is the only moisturizer that will really keep my skin hydrated and smooth all day. So just pressing that into my skin. Next, for primer, I'll be priming with Benefit Cosmetics Porefessional Hydrating Primer. And I really like this primer because sometimes my pores can be kind of noticeable, but this primer really minimizes the look of them. I noticed that once I put my foundation on over this primer, my pores aren't nearly as noticeable. And I always put on a plumping lip gloss before I start my face so my lips can be nice and plump. Okay, first thing first. I like to go on with black Radiance Foundation stick in the color Cocoa Bean. Not as my actual foundation, but just to act as like a color corrector since I do have a few acne scars. So for foundation, I'm going to be using Lancôme's foundation. To apply my foundation, I always use a damp beauty blender first. And after I feel like I blended enough with my beauty blender, I just go in with a big fluffy brush just to ensure that it is smoothly blended in. To highlight, I'm going to be using Colourpop's Pretty Frrsh Concealer again. And right now I'm not sure what the shade is, but I'll go ahead and put it in the description bar once the video is uploaded. It looks super light, but don't be alarmed. We just want that under eye and the bridge of the nose to be a little bit brighter. And now with that darker shade that we had, I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight any other area of my face that I want to pop. And then I usually just wait about 5 minutes before blending it out. Please do not kill me, guys. My camera died and I thought it was still on, so unfortunately the contouring part of the video won't be shown, but I'll let you guys know exactly what products I used to contour and the powder I used to set my under eye in the description box below. Again, I am really sorry. I just really didn't feel like refilming this entire video just for that part. But comment below if you'd like to see a separate video dedicated to how I contour my face. So now you see me using a brown shadow and just adding that all over my lid. And that's pretty much all we're going to do to the eyes. And now I'm just going to go ahead and set my face with my setting spray. Almost done. Time for lashes. With my everyday look, I like to go with a bold lash to balance me out. So I'm going to go ahead and put my lashes on. And then I'm just going to line my bottom lash line with a jet black shadow. My go-to mascara lately is this full frontal mascara from Fenty Beauty. OMG, Fenty really been showing out lately. So now I'm lining my lips with the unique Mood Strict Precision Lip Liner. And the first gloss I'm using is the HAN Healthy and Natural Lip Gloss. And then Colourpop's Delilah Lip Gloss in the shade Nude Day to lighten it up a bit. And that's pretty much my everyday makeup look. Now on to my hair for today. The wig I have on is from Reshine Hair, and this is their Kinky curly texture. It's a lace frontal wig. I love this wig. I love the curls. I love the density, everything. Like usually I just wet the hair and comb through it, and the original curl pattern just bounces right back to life. I really love this wig because it reminds me a lot of one of my wigs from my collection, our Bossy unit. The curl pattern is similar. It's a little different, but it's similar. Also, if you didn't know, I am natural under here, and my natural hair is about this length, so it gives me that natural hair feel without the hassle of dealing with my own natural hair. This wig barely sheds, like shedding, what's that? I'm obsessed. Check out Reshine Hair. I'll put their link in my description box. Alright guys, so about 20 minutes after wetting the hair, this is how the hair looks. The curls are still super bouncy. This wig does have a lace in the front, so you can style it half up, half down. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know the curly bob half up, half down is like my thing. Like that's my go-to. I always wear my hair like that. You can wear it on the side, which is also super, super cute. Or you can just style it with the middle part like I did. Okay guys, so that concludes the video. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. I appreciate you. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Love you guys. Smooches.